Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about is not identity operator. Already in previous video I am told you about how is going to be work. It is generally used for the comparison between the two objects. Okay. So is not is the negative form of the is. Okay. So what is going to be written on is, the reverse form is not. Okay. So first of all I will write two objects, that is L1 in the list form two objects. These are the list form two objects. Okay. 1 comma 2 comma 3 L2 equal to comma 2 comma 3. Okay. So there is called objects Z equal to suppose 1 L1. I copy that object. Now if I go for the L1 is not L2, which is true. Why? Both are different objects. Sorry, true. Both are different objects. Okay, it's a true. When go for the print L1 is not Z, both are same object but it returns false. Okay, same object, but I am here taking the condition as is not, that's why it is written false. Okay, you understand? That is the reverse form of the is and is not. So when it is going to be similar, when you taken as is not, is and not operator, then it is going to be written you as a false. Here I am using excluding the not. If directly write here L1 is Z, then it is going to be written true. That's it. So here is the false, then here is the true. Understood? And if I go for the print L1 not equal to L2, but here is also written false because same content, but here I am written same content, but here I am written here as in not equal to, but there is a content is equal to, so that's why it returns the false. Okay, so it returns there false. If I am use here equal to sign, okay, opposite of the not equal to, then it is going to be true. But here I am going to be compare as a not equal to, but here is given as a equal to. But when I am going to change the content, it is going to be true because both contents are different. Yes, it returns you true. So this is the way how is and is not operator is going to be work. So keep remember all the points which I am going to define here in this video and previous video, because if you not proper understand the basic points, then it is very difficult when you are going for working any bigger projects. Okay, so here, so always remember the beginning time of any programming language you learn in depth. Okay, and keep the note is very important. Create your own note, hand copy or soft copy. Then you go for the write each and every point and what you are going to be understood about the particular code or project. Okay, code or inside the video entire details you are going to write in that particular file or your note copy. Okay, it is helpful for you for the future. If there is any short period of time, if there is any disturbance coming in your career or in your life, then you can another time you can learn the things very quickly if you taken as a note. If you are not taken as a note, it is very difficult to understand each and every point, and it is mainly starting from the beginning, which is very rough time, and your interest is going to be down day by day because you already learn it. But if you not remember and not practice regularly, means that is you are given only some minimum time. Okay, every day you give 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, the minimum time for a particular language, and entire year you will get, you are not going to be forget any coding, and you will comfortable about the writing any code. Okay, that's it. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.